Welcome back, guys. We're TrustedShoppingGuide.com, and today we are in the kitchen. In this video, we'll be sharing with you our best casserole carriers. Gone are the days of fretting over how to transport your piping hot casseroles and delectable dishes. We've lined up the finest carriers that not only exude style, but also nail the functionality aspect. We've got everything from chic totes to marvels of insulation, all designed to keep your culinary creations warm and secure. Let's dive right in. To help you further, there are timestamps and direct links to all the products in the description below. Be sure to visit our website at TrustedShoppingGuide.com for more of our research in the kitchen, or alternatively, subscribe to our channel for regular updates. The fifth casserole carrier in our list is the MIER Insulated Double Casserole Carrier, which TrustedShoppingGuide.com has awarded a 4-batch rating. The MIER Insulated Double Casserole Carrier is a culinary essential designed to make your life easier and your dishes more accessible. With its dual casserole capacity, it can effortlessly accommodate most 9x13-inch baking dishes, make it perfect for family dinners, picnics, potlucks, or gatherings with friends. The advanced insulation featuring food-grade aluminum foil lining and 8mm foam ensures your hot dishes stay hot and your cold dishes remain refreshingly cold, preserving the delightful flavors until it's time to serve. Now, what sets this carrier apart is not just its insulation, but its practicality. It boasts a large exterior zippered pocket for your accessories and 2 padded handles for easy transport. But it's not just about functionality. This vibrant carrier adds a touch of style to your culinary adventures, make it perfect for various occasions, from picnics to holiday parties. The MIER commitment to quality is evident with its 2-year limited manufacturer's warranty, ensuring your peace of mind. Additionally, it features a food-grade, BPA-free aluminum foil lining, making it safe for your food, and the 8mm thicker insulation sets it apart from the competition. Finally, with its dual thermal compartments, you can keep hot and cold dishes separate, and the dual padded handles offer comfort during transport. Now, due to its insulation and dual compartments, this carrier can be bulkier than simple single-compartment carriers. It may take up more space during storage, which can be a concern for those with limited kitchen storage. The Trusted Shopping Guide team recommends this for quality-conscious shoppers who value product quality and durability will appreciate the MIER brand's quality craftsmanship. The fourth casserole carrier in our list is the OXO Good Grips Casserole Carrier, which TrustedShoppingGuide.com has awarded a 4-batch rating. This carrier is like having a super helpful kitchen buddy. It's fantastic keeping your dishes either hot or cold for a really long time. How? Well, it's all thanks to the special mix of foam insulation and a smooth aluminum lining. This means you can take your yummy casseroles, salads, or desserts with you without worrying about them getting too warm or too cold. And here's the best part. It's a champion at keeping any spills or drips neatly contained, so cleanup is a piece of cake. With the OXO Good Grips Casserole Carrier, you're not just carrying food, you're carrying peace of mind. Aside from this, the exterior front zippered pocket is a thoughtful addition, providing a convenient spot to store serving utensils or napkins. Even if you're carrying heavy dishes, the generous handles offer a comfortable and secure grip. Now, if you value eco-friendliness, you'll appreciate the carrier's exterior fabric and pockets are made of 100% recycled materials. This makes it a choice that aligns with sustainability while offering practicality. Last but not least, with a versatile fit that accommodates most 9x13-inch bakeware, the OXO Good Grips Carrier is your trusted companion for potlucks, picnics, and parties, ensuring your dishes remain at the perfect temperature until they're served. Just a heads up, the carrier is only available in a single color, which might limit choices for those who prefer a broader range of colors or patterns to match their style or occasion. The Trusted Shopping Guide team recommends this for potluck enthusiasts who frequently attend or host potluck gatherings and need a reliable way to transport their dishes while keeping them at the ideal temperature. The third casserole carrier in our list is the Racial Ray Casserole Carrier Bag Insulated, which TrustedShoppingGuide.com has awarded a 5-batch rating. The Racial Ray Casserole Carrier Bag Insulated is a kitchen essential that'll transform the way you transport and serve your favorite dishes. Here's why this carrier is a must-have for every home cook. First, this carrier is not your average casserole tote. Measuring 10 by 5 by 16 inches, it's large enough to carry 2 9x13-inch baking dishes simultaneously. The insulated bag is designed for flat carrying, ensuring your food pan stays secure with long padded handles. Say goodbye to spills, leaks, or messes when you're on the move. The reinforced zippered closure keeps everything intact, and the top zippered pocket provides a convenient space for utensils, napkins, or other accessories. Aside from this, the Racial Ray Lasagna Lugger boasts unmatched insulation capabilities. Whether you're transporting a piping hot lasagna or a cold dessert, this bag can handle it all. Thanks to the innovative triple tech foam insulation and top-tier temper foil lining, your dishes will retain their hot or cold temperature for hours. Not only that, but this carrier is a year-round accessory. It's lightweight and expandable, making it ideal for preserving your food at any temperature, no matter the season. And as if that's not impressive enough, the carrier takes leak-proof to another level with its temper foil lining and heat-welded seams, guarding against spills, messes, and leaks. This makes cleaning a breeze even with just a wet cloth, paper towel, or napkin. In fact, premium exterior fabric resists dirt and abrasion, ensuring your contents stay protected inside and out. Now, the carrier is only available in a single design, which may not cater to those seeking a variety of colors or patterns to match their personal style or different occasions. The trusted Shopping Guide team recommends this for fans of Racial Ray who are confident in relying on Racial Ray's culinary expertise and innovative kitchen products. The second casserole carrier in our list is the VP Home Double Casserole Insulated Bag, which TrustedShoppingGuide.com has awarded a 5-batch rating. This bag is a real star when it comes to keeping your mouth-watering dishes at just the right temperature, whether hot or cold, while you're on the move. Here's a scoop on why this insulated travel buddy is a game changer for both your everyday and special occasions. It has a well-thought-out design with a big space at the bottom for your main dish and a top part that can expand to fit even more. So whether you're carrying 2 casseroles or a variety of delicious dishes, you're all set. This bag is your bag. Secondly, the exterior zippered pocket is perfect for stashing serving utensils, napkins, and more, making your journey even more convenient. From picnics to tailgating, camping, hiking, day trips, beach outings, office potlucks, or holiday parties, this bag is your trusty companion as it comfortably offers ample space for all your culinary creations and serving essentials. This travel bag isn't just practical, it's stylish and sturdy. Dual shoulder straps make it easy to carry, and they're securely attached to handle the weight of your dishes. You can deliver hot food in style and safety thanks to the bag's durable construction. Last but not least, cleaning is a breeze. In fact, you can just wipe the bag with a damp cloth and it's ready for your next adventure or gathering. Just a quick reminder, while the bag is designed to keep dishes hot or cold, the exact duration of insulation may vary based on factors like the external temperature and the initial food temperature. The trusted Shopping Guide team recommends this for eco-conscious consumers who want to stay committed to reducing plastic waste and prefer reusable, environmentally friendly solutions. The best casserole carrier in our list is the LUNCIA Insulated Casserole Carrier, which TrustedShoppingGuide.com has awarded a 5-batch rating. Saving the best for last, the LUNCIA Insulated Casserole Carrier is the perfect solution for keeping your dishes at the ideal temperature while on the go. The interior lining is constructed with food-grade aluminum foil and 8mm EP foam, ensuring excellent thermal resistance. This means that no matter if you're transporting hot lasagna or a chilled dessert, this carrier keeps your food at the desired temperature. Additionally, the exterior of the carrier is made of 600D water-resistant, dirt-proof Oxford fabric, offering long-lasting durability and easy cleaning. There's no need to worry about spills or messes because this carrier is designed to handle them all. And a wide opening and zipper closure make loading and unloading a breeze. Equipped with 2 carry handles featuring padded Velcro for comfortable transport, you can take your culinary creations anywhere. As if that's not impressive enough, the large exterior zipper pocket is perfect for storing accessories such as cutlery, condiments, napkins, and more, ensuring you have everything you need at your fingertips. Another impressive thing about this casserole carrier is that the thickened zipper puller or V-zipper closure glides smoothly even when the carrier is fully loaded, making access hassle-free. The best thing yet is that the interior lining's food-grade aluminum foil and EP foam padding make cleaning a simple task. So whether it's a quick wipe down or a thorough cleaning, this carrier is designed for easy maintenance. Now, while the carrier has an enhanced zipper, the long-term durability of the zipper under heavy use is something to consider. The trusted Shopping Guide team recommends this for beginner to intermediate home cooks and bakers who want to take their cooking and baking to the next level. And there you have it, folks, our best casserole carriers, which got our team at TrustedShoppingGuide.com excited this year. If you have any contenders for next casserole carrier roundup that you would like our team to test, do drop them in the comment section below and we'll be sure to assess them for our next update. If you like this video and it helps you in any way, please do give it a like and hit the subscribe button so that you can stay connected and updated with all of our research into everything that makes our kitchens great. We look forward to seeing you at TrustedShoppingGuide.com again soon.